to Alapathy by Fenne Lily. I don't know how to say her name, so please forgive me if I mispronounce it. And it's a cool song. It's got a real catchy kind of beat and uses simple chords. I'm playing in standard tuning. What she's doing is using a capo at the first fret, but unless you're trying to play along with the record, you don't need to use a capo. It's probably done just to better suit her vocal range. Anyways, so you can put a capo at the first fret and play it exactly the way I'm going to show you, and then you can play along with the recording. Right, and this song, I have a very clean sound, and I have no reverb and no delay, just a clean guitar sound. And probably I should have, let me put it, I think definitely use your bridge pickup. And if you're going to play acoustic, you can do that, but you're gonna have to do more muting with your strum hand. Because we're playing open chords, it's a lot harder to mute them with your fretting hand. So you have to like keep your hand kind of like maybe on the bridge or on the lowest part of the strings, and you're gonna have to mute because it's one of the things that makes this sound catchy is it just like it plays the chord and then it's muted. Okay, so the chords are D, C, D, G, D, C, G. And that's what's used for the introduction to that chord progression, same one. Okay, and then that sequence repeats. It's a good song to develop your ears, and what you want to be able to do is kind of just hear those chord changes instead of having to memorize like, oh, it's D to C to, you know, you as you get more familiar with the song, you'll just be able to hear the chord changes, and that'll translate to like finger coordination. Alright, so that repeats twice for the verse. And you'll have to do is like kind of listen and like play along. And verse is A, B minor, G, C, E minor, A minor, G. And then she does a C, down. She repeats the lyric down. All right, let's talk about that B minor chord. That's a bar chord. All right. What I would recommend is you just take your A minor shape if you don't play bar chords, and just slide that up so your index finger is on the 3rd fret. You could play the high E. If you play this, take your A minor shape, move it up to so your index finger's on the 3rd fret. And you only want to play strings 4, 3, 2, 1. And when I was talking about developing your ears, the thing you want to develop is like whether the tones are going up, like the chords are going upwards or downwards. Like on the, I just say this because on the chorus, they have a nice little, the chords, no, the dogs are down. Okay, you could be saying all the chords are down because you see it starts on the B minor. Oh, that's the high. The chords. That's the A. It goes lower. Down. If you can develop an ear for that kind of stuff, then once you learn the song, you don't have to memorize it. You'll just be able to kind of feel it. Little guitar that plays on the transitions. I think it's just playing like something like this with a lot of reverb, some distortion. I think it goes, just goes from the first to the third to the fifth mostly. And then at the end, I think it hits this note, which is from the B minor that we play on the chorus. So it's a little, it's just a little. Just something like that. Okay. Well, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this lesson and have fun playing that song. All right, bye.